it is, I gotta go get it. They say they let us know. Hey, I'm praying to God they give me more bands and don't let them play with my throne and never ever see a vacancy. The hood, you make it out, yeah, you made it. You know it's dog eat dog, so you already know it's coming up about the J. I keep it me day, I motivate and try to keep them on my face. They pulling up and always coming with a present the way. I don't give a cause I'm just grinding, turning nothing into something. All my summers hella cold and all my winters they be holler, bro. Hey, hopped up in the coupe, we hit the state line, then the weather changed. Hey, swear to God we getting it, bro. Ain't playing no game. We come from out them bricks.
What's up, YouTube? I just want to thank you guys who is subscribing to the channel. You know that really means a lot to me. You know, when my cousin told me about this YouTube thing, you know, I was skeptical about it. Not skeptical so much about it, but many people told me about it. They told me I needed to start doing my work, and it's a privilege to be able to share my work to you, and you guys like my work. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna continue to give you this work, build dope projects. If you guys need work, you know, we ship, we pick them up, you know, licensed and secured. So pretty much I'm done. I'm done with the Monte Carlo. I'm getting ready to just bolt the seats in, vacuum it out, wash it down. And we gotta put the some new chrome tips on the exhaust form. So check us out. Nice build. Came together real swell. What's up, YouTube? We done. Last finishing touch by the great Demetrius. Give me some action. Give me some action. Let me see what we're working with.
Yeah.
Know what it is, I gotta go get it. They say that yeah, that's me. Hey, I'm praying to God they give me more bands and don't let them play.